Once upon a time, there was a young man named Sam. Sam grew up in a middle-class family and always dreamed of starting his own business. He was fascinated by the idea of being his own boss, creating something from scratch, and making a difference in the world. At a young age, Sam started selling lemonade outside his home. He was surprised by how much people loved his lemonade and were willing to pay for it. This small business venture gave him the confidence to pursue entrepreneurship more seriously. As Sam grew older, he started working on more significant business ideas. In high school, he started selling handmade bracelets online and was surprised by how quickly he was able to grow his customer base. He also started learning about marketing and business development, and he was always looking for ways to improve his skills. However, despite his early successes, Sam faced numerous challenges on his entrepreneurial journey. He faced rejection from investors and struggled to get his business off the ground. He also faced criticism from friends and family members who didn't believe in his dreams. One day, Sam decided to reach out to a successful entrepreneur in his community for advice. The entrepreneur was impressed by Sam's determination and passion, and he agreed to mentor him. Over the next few years, the mentor taught Sam many valuable lessons about business and life. The mentor taught Sam the importance of networking and building relationships. He also taught him the importance of identifying and leveraging his strengths and delegating tasks to others. Most importantly, he taught him to persevere through failure and to use setbacks as an opportunity to learn and grow. Through the mentor's guidance, Sam was able to overcome his early struggles and build a successful business. He learned to listen to his customers, develop innovative products, and build a strong team. His business grew rapidly, and he became a well-known entrepreneur in his community. However, despite his success, Sam never forgot the lessons he learned on his journey. He continued to give back to his community, mentoring other young entrepreneurs and supporting local charities. He also never stopped learning and improving, attending workshops and seminars to improve his skills. In the end, Sam's entrepreneurial journey was not just about making money or building a successful business. It was about following his dreams, persevering through challenges, and making a positive impact on the world. He became an inspiration to others, showing them that anything is possible if you have the passion, determination, and willingness to learn. Sam's story is a reminder that success is not just about talent or luck. It's about hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from failures. It's about building a strong team and surrounding yourself with people who believe in your vision. Most importantly, it's about never giving up on your dreams and using setbacks as an opportunity to learn and grow. Sam's story teaches us that we can all achieve our dreams, no matter how big or small they may seem. We just need to have the courage to take the first step and to keep moving forward, no matter what obstacles we may face along the way. As Sam once said, success is not a destination, it's a journey. And it's a journey that's worth taking.